Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to upload files on shared Google Drive folder. First, you need to go to your email or wherever you have your link attached to. You have to first go to your link and make sure that you are on your right Google account like I am right now. Then you have to go to your Drive link. After opening the drive link, you need to go to the folder whichever you have want to go, and then by doing that you can upload whatever you want to upload by just dragging it to your folder, and you can upload it. After uploading it, you can see a green tick here like we have upload completed, and we can see that our file is being uploaded in the drive. So I hope this video was useful to you. If that was useful to you, then please like and share our video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.